If you want something really good to support liver detoxification, definitely don't forget the beet, okay? Beets have a lot of amazing properties, but one is the ability to bind and hook up these toxins and poisons and actually convert them into water-soluble particles, okay? And they do this with a very unique chemical called betalain. So betalain uses glutathione to transform poisons into non-poisons. So that is part of something called phase 2 enzymes, okay? And so phase 3 is that complete elimination of that poison. So you have all these chain reactions that occur through the liver, and they get triggered through various chemicals, one being present in beets. And beets have some other really unique properties. One is the support of your eye, okay? It has lutein and zeaxanthin, okay? Both of those natural chemicals help protect the eye from damage to the retina, damage from cataracts, damage from macular degeneration. Beets are also loaded with natural nitrates that help to support your blood pressure in the arteries. Beets also have something called betaine, which is made from choline. So both betaine and choline help reduce fat from accumulating on your liver. Now, beets are also loaded with folate. Now, folate does a lot of things, but one of the big things that it will do is it prevents DNA damage, so thereby lessening the chance of mutations from occurring and decreasing the risk of cancer. And so this is why certain properties in beets are really good to help shrink tumors in the colon, in the stomach, in the nervous system, in your lungs, in the breast tissue, in the prostate tissue, as well as in the testicle. Beets are loaded with vitamin C, a very powerful antioxidant. It's loaded with manganese, which also acts as an antioxidant, and copper. So not only do beets have very powerful vitamins and minerals, but they also have very special and unique phytonutrients that help you detoxify the body, as well as reduce inflammation. Now, if you're going to consume beets, I would highly recommend that you steam them for no longer than 15 minutes. Put them on your salad. And one common question is, are beets okay on a ketogenic diet? Well, beets tend to be higher on the glycemic index, but they're also very low in the glycemic load, which means they're very high in fiber, and so they're not going to spike your blood sugars unless you juice them. That's why I recommend you consume them whole. And so you can steam them, you can cook them, but don't overcook them, or even consume them pickled. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.